Yes, lovely Dwaha, Cayo Santa Maria Cuba. Good morning, everyone. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. There are palm trees in front of me. Beautiful vegetation. And we're gonna head to the beach. It's gonna be a good time. Let's go. As you can see in my shadow, I've got the GoPro in this hand. I've got another GoPro for the water. I've got my wife behind me. I'm going to keep her out of the shot because she doesn't want to get on camera this early in the morning. I can understand. But just an absolutely beautiful, beautiful resort. And we are up at 8 o'clock in the morning, so everything is not crazy hot. And get some good video out of it. It'll be a good time. Let's continue.
Interview the coffee here.
A coffee. What's the coffee? Good morning to the coffee.
Brown water. It's the worst I ever experienced. You know.
It's something.
Ever in Cuba.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable.
Hey man.
Nothing more than brown water.
Yeah. You gotta switch to rum.
For me?
You gotta switch to rum. Too early for rum?
For me?
Yeah.
Rum early in the morning. No, I prefer an espresso early in the morning. But
Same.
I don't know what they do here.
Have a good day. Oh, here we go. Continuing on. We got going down here. Got some. We got the hoses watering already. The pool is not yet open, but it is a beauty. Someone is allergic to the flowers. What are these things? Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Some random flowers. I have no idea. I was a horticulturalist as a child with a little backyard garden. Aside from that, tropical flowers, not my thing. Are these peas? Nah. I'm gonna take a zip down to the pool area, give it a little check out. Ooh. There are a few early risers like myself. Everybody's going down, maybe getting ready for a little bit of the old breakfast, maybe getting some pool chairs ready. Who knows? I do like to wake up early myself, but it appears people get up at the ass crack of dawn, and I do not blame them. I don't think the coffee was that bad. I'm not a big black coffee drinker, but had a black coffee, a couple sugars. I don't know if it was the sugar or the coffee, but it was good. It was good. So, from here, we'll take a little detour around, go down to the beach, see what the hell's going on there, and get some nice, beautiful, clear shots of the underwater. Maybe see a poisson, maybe see a sea urchin. Maybe one of those little shells with the little thing still alive in it. It scared the shit out of me. Just absolutely beautiful morning. I don't know the exact temperature of it yet, but I will update it. Yesterday I think it was 24 degrees, maybe 7:15, 7:30 in the morning. Today feels a little warm. I have one hell of a sunburn, so everything's gonna feel a little bit warmer. Beautiful, beautiful, however. Let me just give this a little wipe. There we go. If I gotta do the whole damn thing over again, I'll do it. I'll do it. I have no problem doing that. So we'll continue our adventure on. We got the little pool bar that's gonna be open. Lovely, lovely. Good morning. The pool area here. Lovely. Not busy first thing in the morning. We've got a 24-hour snack bar. We came here last night about 1 o'clock in the morning. Had a beautiful ham and cheese sandwich, panini. It's pressed there. My wife had a bowl of ice cream. Can you beat that? We've got a chess set here, a little one for everybody to play. I will beat the dog shit out of anybody in chess. Come try. Here we go. Just look. Oh, the beautiful. Just lovely, lovely, lovely. I'll shut up now for a bit. Let you take it all in. Hola, good morning. Ugh, there's a smell that comes off the water or something. It smells like ugh, rotting dead human fish. I don't know. Got some quality transportation. Oh yeah. All right, we're getting closer to the beautiful beach. This is the, oh god, it stinks so bad. This is the the worst smell, but the most beautiful beach. I've been to Jamaica, Haiti, Dominican, a few other places. This is by far the nicest sand. Beautiful, beautiful clear water. And if you look, there's also the turtle nesting beach. So they are respectful of the turtles and their mating and nesting. Look at the beautiful water. Look at the beautiful, oh, look at that. We've got a little beach bar, great staff, great drinks. I said just make me a mixed drink. They made me something bomb. We have some early risers down on the beach, my friends being some of them. And yeah, look at this. Just the sand, perfect. Inside I got the other GoPro here. That guy's going in the water. It's an oldie, but I don't want to fry my newie. So this is the